seconds, and the launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and eastern range are go for launch.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
I don't even want to think about it. I don't know.
Burning up now.
T minus 1 minute and counting.
1 minute to go, baby.
Someone's still on the bloody shoulder somewhere.
Minus 45. Launch table. Easy main car off. Minus 40. Minus 30.
T minus 30 seconds.
On my hand.
Light locked in.
Alright, you got lucky, can't just slide back to the other side. Yeah, well, it should go straight up in the sky, shouldn't it?
Minus 15.
Come on, I'm going to burst.
T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have ignition. RS 68 main engine. 2, 1. And we have liftoff of the Delta IV. Global Satcom satellite provides significantly increased capacity for our nation's leaders, warfighters, and international partners. Voice of vehicle ascent data.
2.5 miles, 36 seconds, Mach 1, vehicle not going transfer. 42 seconds in, still looking good.
I hope so.
50 seconds. Mach 50 seconds, maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle as we're approaching the 1 minute mark. Mach 1 minute into the flight. Altitude now 7.7 nautical miles. Velocity 2,998 feet per second. 5 miles downrange.
Oh, nice filming,
We have
Mum.
1 minute 10
Thank you,
seconds.
James.
1 minute 10 seconds. Zero pressure holding solid in the first stage. 1 minute 15 seconds. Second stage systems coming online.
So you can see the shape of it now if you look up the sky. Oh, I know,
1 minute 25 seconds. Standing by for solid rocket motor burnout just a few seconds from now. We have burnout standing by for separation.
Set the motion and zoom in. Oh, nice. Caught that, Mum. I see it.
Separation of the solid rocket boosters. 1 minute 54 seconds in the flight. The Delta vehicle now only weighs 1/2 of what it did at launch about 2 minutes ago. It's traveling at the rate of 1,850 pounds per second.
This is Delta Mission Control at T plus 2 minutes and 11 seconds. CVAG had just confirmed jettison of all 4 solid rocket motors, and the mission continues nominally. Our next event is payload fairing jettison, scheduled to take place in just over a minute. Let's go back to CVAG.
Look, James, can you see that? Yeah. You've got to look at it on this screen at how big it is.
2 minutes 35 seconds in. Maximum fairing skin temperature occurring at this time.
I've lost it now.
2 minutes 44
I've lost
seconds.
it. Find it, Mum. Find it.
47 around the
Yeah.
Oh, you found it. Camera pressure continuing to hold in the main engine. Good engine. Running up on the 3 minute. 3 minutes, still looking. Standing by for our payload carrying
It's like a little angel in the sky. Still really big when you zoom in. Zoom in, baby. There.
Oh, I've lost it now.
Turn.
It's because you're pulling me, I lose
Don't
it.
lose it, Jess.
Right, stay where you are there, Jess.
We have payload there on Jettison. 3 minutes 42 seconds in. Still looking good.
See?
Going up to space now.
Going the partial thrust command.
Looks like it's going down.
For the first stage. So the partial thrust mode.
Fantastic. Absolutely amazing.
4 minutes.
Changing colour.
Sorry?
We have partial thrust command.
Oh, I've lost it again.
Standing by for Nico. And we have Nico. Main engine has cut off.
There's smoke to go by.
Standing by for 1-2 step. And we have 1-2 stage separation. S-deploy is in work.
Look, helicopter to the left.
2 military aircraft now.
The igniter spark standing by for ignition. And we have ignition. Ignition on the second stage. Second stage chamber pressure rising. The chamber pressure on the second stage. 38 seconds. By the way, we're running very closely at the
Control at 4 minutes and 49 seconds. We just heard the voice of Steve Haggard report successful execution of this DE-2. The mission is now in its first of 2 planned RL-10 second stage engine burns, and all systems continue to operate nominally. This burn will last approximately 20 minutes. I am now joined by Major Mig Host of the United States Strategic Command. Major Host, I thank you for joining me.
Thanks, Darren. It really is a pleasure to be here for the 6th stage S1. It's a privilege to be here.
Right, are we actually going to see anything else? Hey? Right.
That was amazing.
Major Host, we've just seen a
Right,
spectacular
what do I do then?
lift off of the Delta IV rocket. How does it feel seeing the 6th WGS-6 satellite on its way to orbit?
Yeah. It's worth it though, wasn't it?
The 6th flight of the WGS system from the Air Force
Hang on.
The seating really does mark a significant milestone
Hang on.
in Australia's
Right in on it again now.
That is what is
It's still there. You can still
Yeah,
just
I've
about
got
see
it, I've got it. There. Right, I've zoomed right in on it now. Depending on which to look. There.
You got the sound there.
No.
We heard a roar, didn't we?
Yeah, there it is. If you'll have one last look. Right, everybody say goodbye. Bye.
Only telephone.